Guys, what's up? I'm back. I didn't post a video for 5 months and finally I played a game. I was a bit too busy and I have school. So yeah. Sorry about um you know not posting for 5 years. I mean 5 months, sorry. And nope. What game should we play? I wonder. You know what? I'm gonna play fish. I'm gonna play fish. Guys, subscribe, please. I am road to if I get a mythical fish right now. And also subscribe to give me good luck to the Kaligla. Give me good luck to give me the Kaligla. So yeah, let's go put in one. Guys, please subscribe now. Because I'm at the road to 100 subscribers. Just please. This is my glider. If I get a you know, mythical the you know um the glider. We have a freaking I can't find it. Guys, am I blind? Tell me in the comments. Am I blind? Guys, where is the tell me type it. Mm, Nah, I don't know how to spell it. Let me check everything. Am I dumb? Am I blind? Where is it? Oh my god. That takes me so long. That takes me 1 minute. Someone has a Triton rod. Oh. Then I wish I have the Triton rod. Okay, let's go get some. If I could get a mythical fish, please subscribe. I am level 50 in fish. Okay, just get something good, please. No, it's not a mythical. Still okay. What is that? Arcan ODE. That dude, you gotta be kidding me. Give me a mythical fish, please. Yes, yes, yes. Nada na. There, go na to the other room. Go na to the... You turned off the aircon kanina? Go to the other room. You turned off? Yes, yes, go to the other room. Go na. Okay, I was talking to my mom. So yeah, I was talking to my mom. Dude, why can I not about why can I not... We're joking. I got disconnected. Yay. Lovely. Need to rejoin, dude. What the? Why is there no Wi-Fi? Hmm. Okay, it's time to use the luxury speedboat. I mean, yeah, the luxury speedboat. Okay, I need to get it because I just give me luck to get the megalodon. I got the megalodon. Just kidding, I didn't get a megalodon. I need to find the. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Why did I just miss it? To go back. Okay, found it. Okay. Mm, mm. Okay, let's go. Now we need to put that. Okay, okay. Yay, thank you. If I get any mythical fish, subscribe, please. Subscribe now. And also like the video if I get a mythical fish. Any mythical fish. Bro, bro has the Triton rod. There we go. People think that over there is the best spot. Well, it's not. This is where the best spot is. Because I got so many mythicals in this place. If we get a mythical first try, you better subscribe. I got a legendary. Let's go. What? All you guys. All you. Or did I just get good luck? Didn't get good luck. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. My God. What? Someone has the jet ski? Are you joking me? I don't have the jet ski. Tell me in the comments what you have. What's happening to my ship? Maybe don't mind it. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Dude, give me a mythical fish. Give me a mythical fish, please. I got a legendary. I make it. Yes, done na. I was talking to my mom again in Tagalog a little bit. What I got 69. 69 steaks. Oh, oh my god. Subscribe now. You forget this, guys. Subscribe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this first try. Subscribe now. I know I can get this. I'm a pro. I did the Mosasaurus. I did the Mosasaurus, guys. Let's go. This is a mythical fish that we didn't know. Oh, I'm about to get this. This is almost the weight. This is almost the weight of the, you know, the megalodon. Oh my god, guys, subscribe, guys. I'm about to get it. Oh, subscribe now. Let's go check it. Go, I got a mythical fish. Let's go, guys. Subscribe. So yeah, if I get another mythical fish, I'm gonna end the video. So yeah. Dude, subscribe, please. I got a mythical fish. I got the best mythical fish, dude, from Ancient Isle. Oh man, not the mythical fish. What the? Okay, I'm gonna swear. I cannot swear. I'm gonna get demonetized. I'm about to get demonetized if I actually. I mean, yeah. Okay, I got a mullet. It's like a bullet, but a freaking uh a fish. Why do you call this a mullet? I don't understand. Wait, what? Where's my shake button? Guys, where's my shake button? Guys! Don't tell me I no. No, 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 no. No. Dude, no. No. Okay. You know what? If I get a legendary from the pawn, I will end the video. And like the video if I actually get a legendary from the pawn. So yeah, please subscribe. Okay, it is time. If you watch my previous video, it was actually pretty annoying. I made it. I made it the 15 hours ago. Okay. I need to get the legendary fish immediately. A legendary fish. If I get the forgot the name. Wait, let me get the binary. Okay. It's called floppy. Okay. So I need to get the floppy to end the video. Like imagine if I get the floppy immediately. Same. Damn it, not the floppy. And the floppy looks like from Fortnite. Bruh. Let's go. Okay, it looks like a crab, but it's not a crab. Guys, if you think it's a crab, it's not. It's not a crab. He told you. You can only get crabs from, you know, crab cages. Oh my god, this one's a giant. This one's a giant. And this is my first fish from Ancient Isle. By the way, this one. That's my first fish in Ancient Isle. Oh my god. Don't tell. You know what? The next video, I'm just gonna get a freaking. I'm done. Bye bye.